So dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video I had started the new chapter pronouns. So I had discussed the definition of a pronoun, and I had also discussed the first exercise of this chapter. So you will find it in page number 29. So today I shall explain the number A, this portion. So this exercise I have solved in my copy, so I shall discuss from there. See, look at the copy. Rewrite the sentences using the correct pronouns in place of the underlined words and phrases. Rewrite the sentences using the correct pronouns in place of the underlined words and phrases. So you have to replace the underlined words with the pronoun. So pronoun is what I had already told. The pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. So the first question is, this is Tom. Tom is Shuma's cat. So this is Tom and it is the name of a cat. So as the cat is an animal and there is only one cat, so the pronoun will be it. So in place of Tom, it is used. So answer will be, this is Tom, it is Shuma's cat. Next is, Uma goes to the market. Uma buys a pair of shoes. See, Uma is the name of a girl, and in place of Uma, the pronoun will be she because she is a female. As Uma is a female, so the pronoun used is she, and there is only one person. If it is more than one, then the pronoun is they. But as there is only one person and she is a female, so the pronoun will be she. So Uma goes to the market. She buys a pair of shoes. Next is, the crows are cawing. The crows are very noisy. The crow is the name of a bird. As there are many crows, so it is plural, then the pronoun will be they. So the crows are cawing. So in place of the crows, the pronoun, you have to write the pronoun they. They are very noisy. Next is, father, mother, Shuma and I have a holiday. Father, mother, Shuma and I are going for a picnic. So the four words are underlined where you are included. So the pronoun will be we. You along with your father, mother and Shuma went for a you all are going for a picnic. As you are also included, so the pronoun will be they. If it was only mother, father and Shuma, then the pronoun will be they. But as you were included, so the pronoun became we. Father, mother, Shuma and I have a holiday. We are going for a picnic. Let's go to number 5. I have lost my water bottle. Have you seen my bottle? So bottle is a thing, and if it is a thing and it is singular, then the pronoun is it. Used is it. I have lost my water bottle. Have you seen it? If it was bottles, then the pronoun will be they. But as here only one bottle, singular, so the pronoun is it. Next is, the sun is shining in the sky. The sun is very bright. The sun is shining in the sky. So the sun, in place of sun, there is one sun, and it is neither a person, it is not a person. So the pronoun will be it. It is very bright and it is singular. Next is, Mohit and Manisha are studying. Mohit and Manisha are doing their homework. Look here. There are two people, Mahit and Manisha. Mahit and Manisha. Mohit is a boy. If it was only Mohit, then the pronoun will be he. And Manisha is a girl. And if there was only Manisha, then the pronoun will be she. But as there are two people, so the pronoun becomes they. Mohit and Manisha are be it anything or person. If it is more than one, if it is plural, then the pronoun becomes they. If there was bottles, then the pronoun will be they. But as it is singular, so it became it. Be it animals, so since in case of animals also. Mohit and Manisha are studying. They are doing their homework. Next is Kunal's dog is named Keeper. Kunal has a dog whose name is Keeper. Kunal loves his pet. Pet means his dog. So Kunal is the name of a boy. So the pronoun will be he. So the Kunal's dog is named Keeper. He loves his pet. In place of Kunal, the pronoun used is he. Let's go to number 9. The students are going for a picnic. The students will enjoy themselves. See, look here, the students. Again plural. So for plural, the pronoun will be they. So the answer is the students are going for a picnic. They will enjoy themselves. Next is watching the animals in the zoo was very interesting. The animals were delightful to watch. Means very interesting to watch. So the animals, again plural. So the word used is, so the pronoun used is they. Look here, watching the animals in the zoo was very interesting. They were delightful to watch. So this is the exercise number A. This one I have written in the copy till this much. So in my next video I shall discuss the rest of the portions, remaining portion of this chapter. So for today let's end the class here. So thank you and have a nice day.